Hey, how's it going? Intro 3 video, Intro 3 walkthrough, what we did in class Thursday and Friday, the week of September 24th and 25th with the dates, Intro 3. We also might have finished it on September 28th, depending on what class you're in. Intro 3, easy figure right here. We got some circles, pretty much that are trimmed up. I'm going to start by picking the origin point and center of the circle, right? We have two concentric circles. We have a diameter 3 and a radius 2, same center points. Let's go ahead and start with that. Circle 0, 0 is the center point. First one was a radius of 2, and then so that's this larger one. The smaller one is a diameter of 3. So we're going to take another circle, snap point here, and we're going to switch to diameter. Click that button there, and a diameter of 2. Okay, so we have our two circles here. Up, diameter 3, not 2. Oops. Diameter of 3. Okay. We're going to have 4 other circles that are positioned on every 90-degree axis, 90, 0, 90, 180, and 270. It's on the center points of each of these circles are on the intersection of those degrees and the radius of 2 circle. And the radius of these circles are 0.5. So we're going to plug those in. Snap, pan, it snaps, intersection, click, 0.5. And we're going to repeat this process. Hover over circle, get to the center point, snap, pan, click on the intersection, 0.5. Circle, hover over circle to get the center to pop up, pan down, snap. Okay, I'm going to trim this up now. Trim command, TRIM in the command line. It's also under the modify tab. And what we're going to do is just going to kind of trim these up so that it looks as intended. Okay, perfect. All right, we're good, we're ready to center and dimension now. So we're going to go to our paper view. We should already be centered technically because the origin is already there. So, but if you need to center it, double click on the viewport and pan it around to center the drawing. Double click in gray to deactivate. Properties, let's check the scale here. Scale should probably be okay with a 1:1. Let's try a 2:1. See if it fits. It does not. All right, we're gonna go back to 1:1. So we're fine. Leave it at 1:1. Let's go back into review, model view. Make sure dim style set the 1:1. It is good. Dim style set the 1:1, so we should be good to dimension. Let's annotate. Oops, zoomed in way too much. All right, diameter of 3. We need a radius of 2. Okay. We're going to need a radius here as well, 0.5. We're going to need to edit this. Because we're in the AutoCAD Web App, we can't actually type text in front of us. We have to do a text override. We're going to type 4x, radius at 0.5. Enter. Okay. Center lines now. We're going to need to go to layers, center line layer, and we're going to be drawing lines. And they should probably be scaled correctly. Snap to there, go a little bit past, click. Snap to there, go a little bit past, click. Okay. snap, go a little bit past, click, snap, go a little bit past, click. All right, let's check out how this looks. Looks good. Rename this. We're gonna call this intro 3. Check. Save your work. And let's plot the PDF. Let's download this, check it out. There it is, looks good. All set. Our drawing's complete.